thought their paper airplane was the best, but this is actually the best one. To start, you fold the piece of paper in half. And then unfold it. You fold the right corner all the way down to the left side until there's a point on the left corner. And you do the same on the other side. And then you do a squash fold all the way down to the middle. And you make the point at the top. Then you fold the sides all the way into the middle and make a crease. And then same on the other side. And then you fold it in half. And you fold this all the way down to the bottom to make the wings, and the same on the other side. And then you have your paper airplane. Okay. So you also want to check for symmetry. If yours isn't symmetrical like this one, it would be a no flyer. It would not fly well. If yours is like this one, I might have not drawn it well, but if it's like that one, it would be, yes, it would fly well. So that's mostly what you want to check for. Then you want to fly it. There's a trick for this paper airplane. You want to point it at a diagonal direction so it would fly farther and faster. But don't fly it too hard. Don't throw it too hard, because then it would just go too hard and fall down. So right, set, go.